A warm welcome to all of you. It's John Champion and Jim Beglin on commentary duty today.
Well, thank you. I think this is a brilliant atmosphere awaiting these players today. I can't wait for this one to start.
So let's get down to business. This is very pleasing on the eye. Now the chance. He can take the shot on here.
Well, he didn't have much on there. I thought he had to go it alone.
And now the counter-attack. Caught him there. Free kick. No, it was cut out. Wants to get this forward. Loses out in a position of some promise. Plays this forward. He's got in. Sloppy pass, intercepted. "15 minutes played. It's on for him. He plays it towards the corner flag.
Well, talking about toothless, not one of them chose to shoot.
It's true. It's opened up nicely for him. He scores. It's 1-0. A great finish in a one-on-one situation.
Well, although the keeper looked at an imposing figure then, he remained totally unfazed and took the chance with great ease.
So we start again at 1-0.
Well, that lifts some of the pressure, but they need to maintain their work rate. It's been very good up to now.
It's a ball in. A header this time. They're just missing that finishing touch. No, it's been cut out. 30 minutes on the clock in the first half. They got a throw in. Good defence there, breaking up the attacking flow. It's on for him.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
Got it. Looking to carve open the defence. It's come through to him nicely. Could be a chance now. There's a possibility here for a shot. That never really looked on target.
He was right in front of goal and he probably should have scored, to be fair.
Tries to slide it past the defence. And they'd be quite happy to keep this advantage intact through to half-time, but it won't be easy. It's on for him. The pass needed to be better there. Tried to play it through. And the offside flag is up. The whistle goes to signal the midway point of this game.
Yeah, they're 1-0 down at half-time, yet in all honesty, they just never looked like scoring in that first half.
Just the one goal separates them then. It's 1-0. Poor ball that's intercepted. Free kick given by the referee.
Well, I think it might be a touch too far to have a go at goal, but I've been proven wrong in the past and maybe again.
And that won't be making it through. Good run down the side. Now, what next? Whistle goes. Referee just gives the throw. That's not a safe pass. Plays this forward. Neatly played. Strikes it. They've done it. A moment of significance for Manchester United. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
The game restarts with the scores level again.
Oh, this is real tit-for-tat stuff. It's difficult to see which one has the drive and determination to come out on top now.
A long ball forward. A lunge. Oh, he'll be kicking himself for that. And he'll drive it here. That was really close.
Oh, look, I just think he didn't get the connection he was hoping for. Nearly perfect technically, but not quite on the mark.
That's a trip. He sends it in. Now he's ready for a shot, and it's taken with some style. They have the all-important lead. It just couldn't have been placed any better.
I just thought that was going to hit the outside of the post for a moment there, but it just curled enough to catch the inside for a very good strike.
Now up by a goal. This is lovely passing to watch. And he was obstructed there. Referee gives the free kick. Manchester United have this free kick. Restarts with a throw-in. Got it. Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. Steals the ball. He gets his shot away. That should have been the equaliser.
Well, he won't need telling what a big chance that was. The look on his face says the lot.
Wants to get this forward. That's clearly not what was intended. He's attacking down the flank. Looking to thread it through. And a shot here. He got a piece of that one. It was a good ball in.
Yeah, and that was all about the through ball. Great control, and the weight was perfect.
Maybe now. It's led to a goal. This is turning out to be quite a contest.
Oh, this is a real show of character. Rather than let their heads drop, they've stood proud and fought hard. Brilliant.
That goal oozed quality.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
It's become a real seesaw game, this. No attempt to play the ball. Free kick. Ball in. Chance. Oh, he's lost it. And he belts it. Cleared away from immediate danger. He's got in. Good width. Here comes the cross. Wants to get this forward. Got it. So that's it, the final whistle. No complaints about the match, but it ends all square, nothing between them.
Well, look, there was so little to choose between these teams. I don't think either manager could be too unhappy about